The Meghalaya SSA School Association, led by its president Aristotle Rimbai, met Education Minister Lakshman Rimboy on the 27th of November 2025 to review the status of the association's long-pending demands. Following the meeting, Aristotle Rimbai informed the media that the minister had assured them that the government was in the final stages of introducing a new pay structure for SSA teachers across the state. He said the minister indicated that the process was progressing satisfactorily and that the revised structure was expected to be implemented before Christmas. Rimbai added that the association also raised concerns regarding the requirement for SSA teachers to sit for the TET examination. According to him, the minister stated that he would visit New Delhi in the coming weeks to hold discussions with the appropriate authorities on the issue.
Kabahakan ka meeting matakas ngi follow up yikitu ki pending issues ki jongi ki banakaliang jong ka government kala ai ya ka commitment hak ini ki banai ki bala dep kita ki issues ki long kumne ka number 1 hakabai dei ban pentri kam ya ka pay structure na bentaki SSA teachers habaro ka we ka jilla Meghalaya nakaliang jong i honorable education minister ngisukumen ba ipentip hangi matakas ngi banakaliang jong ka department kala ya shai menta ban collect ya kitata hakabai dei bat ka service lani ka length of service jong kini kinohikai SSA ki bahi hikai hapo state Meghalaya baro ka we pi balai ki haple ya kane ban shupin kan mau hak to meeting ke bangi di kendo bat bala chair dai honorable chief minister isar kondar ke sangma bala lo khatrik jong 9 Oktober hang to ngila shimlang ya ka decision ba on pentrai kam ya kane ka pay structure da ka ba shimro ya ka secure ya kane ka ka length of service ka length of service te kalani ka year of service ka bangila don ha ka kam kum kino ka SSA te ya ka ya ban collect ya ka data nakaliang jong ka department kala dep in stock ya baro kini ki STSEO ban penbiang ya kani ka data bat ka kam kadang ya shai menta bat nakaliang jong i honorable education minister ya pentip hangi ba ka government kalong very committed ba shwa jong ka Christmas kala ban announce ya ban pentri kam ya ka pay structure na menta kinong hikai SSA bat ka barlong effective ro na do shitri kupna April arjar arfundriu kata di number 1 number 2 ka issue ka bangi kren menta kalong hakabai dei bat kanika special tet mo kani kalong ba hadin kumba TV hadin ba ka honorable supreme court ka shitri jong by September 2006 ka pumi ya ka ruling babaro ki in service teachers respective of the length of service ki haban pendep ya kanika teachers eligibility test te hakbai dei batani ngila follow up mentakas ni but nakaliang jongi education minister ieto hangi ba hakbai dei bot kunu ban conduct ya kanika teachers eligibility test ka department kala de penkrai na dong shadong henry ka concern jong ka government bat ka education department bat maihi kum education minister kalong ba ya ka eligibility criteria lakini kinong hikai ki baladon upaha ka service kilan em ban appear ya kanika tet ti ya thu hingi ma hangi mentakas ngi ba next week in Delhi bani kendo ya ki concern authority jong ka ministry of education bat kumjuro ya ki concern authority jong ka NCTE khnang ban seek clarification hakabai dei bat kanika eligibility criteria markat kum ka jingkwa ahil ani kat kum ka jingkhat hi jong ka government ba ka NCTE bat ka Ministry of Education bakin consider ya ka service jong uno hikai kum ka eligibility criteria tikhnang ba kan long shai la ka government of India kan consider na em ya kan nakaliang jong ka education department ba nakaliang jong i honorable education minister daladihi in Delhi next week na banta kanika kam kebalai pat ngili keren hakabay day bat kanika age relaxation na banta kinohikai SSA bakin yo ban apply kam hakini di government LP lani UP school balong vacant kumba pila aktif nakaliang jong ka kabinet ma haubna December khatway trik jong na December arajar apusaw kalami kaway ka office memorandum kebala grant nakaliang juga kabinet kala gran ba kini kinong hikai SSE bahkan extend ya ka age jongki ban apply kam hagi government LP UP nakalai punyusnem syaka sapo san bakani kan trai kam tang namenta kini ki schedule tribe but schedule caste unde yaki general category te nakalian jong ka association hakabayde berkani ka bentang ye keren benta kalong ba nakalian jong ka government kan consider saiway benta but ita ilong ba kan ai ka one time consideration ya gitu kinong hikai kibala overage hakapor bapenmi ya kan ka office memorandum 11 December 2024 te hakabayde berkani ka benta nakalian jong education minister ila keren da basay namarkani kamsyong tang haga department jong in sa review but ya kan ka benta but in say keren ro but ka personal but ka law department hakabayde berkani namar ila pentip hangi ba house nem arajar pulai nakaliang jong education department kala depan ya ka one time relaxation nakabenta kito kinong hikay kibala pas ya ka teachers eligibility test house nem arajar apulai but kibala overage bakin yo ban apply kam house nem arajar apulai haki government LP but UP but ya kan ya ka government kala dep ya ka one time relaxation ti yong ba la ka government kan consider biang na em ya kan ka jingkwa jong ikum ka association nakabay de bagni benta ila ong ba in sa console but ka personal but ka law department but isang petik pad yang hagini ki candidacy